Yes, students, a very good morning to all of you. We have started the chapter that is organizing files and folders. In the sequence of this chapter, previously you have read the transfer of files and folders from one drive to another drive or from external devices to the another drive. Now today we will read the working with multiple applications. Working with multi applications. Come on here. Working with multi application or multiple applications. So here the word you are finding the multi application, or you can say the multiple application. It means whenever you are working on the system and you want to perform more than one work together, so that is multiple application or multi application. So here the Windows 10 provides feature to work multiple application together. They have many features, and today we will read some features. The first feature is task view. Task view. So task view option is used. Task view option is used to see and move within all open application. See the first part, task view. What is the work of task view? Task view option is used to see and move within all open application. With the help of the multiple application, just you have to find that more than one work you can perform together. So just imagine that this is your screen. On screen, first is here, second desktop is here, third is here. One person is working there with the three applications. So the person can perform the work. So the first option, after this you will find the second. Task view, what the task view perform? It displays a thumbnail. It displays thumbnail option to view the open application. See the second point. Task view, or it displays thumbnail option to view the open application. It means that person working with the three options here, or three application programs he is working. So here we are finding a word thumbnail option. So this is the short form of the any application here now. It means if you have opened the MS Office and you have given the name, so what you will do? First work he is doing here, second work he is doing here, third work he is doing here. If the work of the MS PowerPoint is there, so only it will touch the finger, or with the help of the mouse, it can maximize it on the screen. So third step you are finding here. We can click and maximize. Click to maximize. Please to maximize the open application. So this is the work of the task view. See here, what is the work? Task view option is used to see and move. See here the word, to see and move within all open application. Now on this point, so here user has opened 3 application program. So that time, at the same time, he can see and move anywhere. Second point here, it displays thumbnail option to view the opened application. So the 3 applications are opened here. So there will be the name of any application here, first name, second name, third name, in which one he is working. Take the example here, if he is working at the MS PowerPoint, so that person can see. After all, he is working here, but if he want to see this software, application software, he can see. What he will do? Only third option, we can click to maximize it. So you will put the cursor there and click it. So you will see complete screen will be covered by this application program. So you can say this is the working with multiple application or multi-application. Is it clear? This is the first feature. Now, second feature we will use the new desktop. So it means if you are working, so there is the only one desktop, and if you want to create the new desktop, you can create new desktop. So we can create more than one desktop. More than one desktop. We can create more than one desktop within or with the with the help of virtual desktop. See here, the desktop, what you are getting here. We can create more than one desktop with the help of virtual desktop. So there is the option virtual desktop, and if you want to create more desktops on the screen, you can create. So what are the options are there, or what will be the step you will take there? So first of all, for creating every desktop, we can open every desktop. We can open application to perform a particular task. See here. With the help of the desktop, we can create more than one desktop with the help of virtual desktop. So here, what the option you are getting, with the help of the virtual desktop, if you want to make any other desktop, we can make it. Now first point here, every desktop we can open application to perform a particular task. Second, you can write, if you want to want it to jump from to a particular desktop, jump from a particular means whenever we have created the new desktop. So if you want to take jump from one application to another, we can perform. So this is the work. So every desktop has its own taskbar. Every desktop has own taskbar. Taskbar. Okay, the next topic, just the next point I am going to tell you, procedure. Now, every desktop has its own taskbar. It displays application on that desktop. So student, this is the new desktop. We can create more than one desktop with the help of virtual desktop. Every desk we can open application to perform a particular task. Come here. If you want to take jump from one application to another, it means you are working in one application program and you want to go in the second one, you can go there. And third, every desktop has its own taskbar. It displays application on that desktop which you have created. Come on here. How we can create a new desktop? So student, for creating a new desktop, we have to use 2 steps and easily you can create. The steps to create a new desktop. So what the step you will take? Step 1. So we have did the first, that is the taskbar. So click on taskbar. Click on task view first. Click on task view icon. On the taskbar. Click on task view icon on the taskbar. Step 2. Click on new desktop option. So these are the two steps by which you can create a new desktop. What the steps are there? First is step 1. Click on task view icon on the taskbar. See here. This is the taskbar. So when you will see, here you will find, click on taskbar. This is the taskbar. Here you will find that is the task view. Task view. So first step, first of all click on task view icon on the taskbar. So this is the taskbar. And here you will find task view. So whenever you will start to move the mouse, easily you can find all the options which are present in the taskbar. Easily you can find. And after that you will click on the task view. So come on here, this side you will find an option, that is the new desktop. New desktop. You will put the cursor on new desktop. So you will see a new desktop created on the screen. So student, these are the steps by which we can create a new desktop on the computer system on the screen. Now student, jump list. Jump list. What is the use of the jump list procedure? Step 1. Right click on the open app. So what you will do? You will do click on the right hand side app icon on the taskbar to see the jump list of that application. Just I have told you the taskbar. So right hand side you will click on the taskbar to see the jump list of that application. It means the application which you have opened. So what is the list of that application that will display here? Step 2. Click on document file name from the list of open. So an option will display here. And from this option, if you want to select any documents, you can select. If file name, you can select. If the folder name, you can select. So this is the use of the jump list. After jump list, you will find one more word, that is the snap. Come on here. Snap. The snap feature allows to arrange, open windows and use the screen space more efficiently. Snap features allows to arrange, open windows and use the screen space more efficiently. So, if we have opened 2 or 3 application programs on the screen, so by the help of the snap, we can make the space there on the screen. For example here, just imagine that here you have taken, here you are doing there, and in this place you have taken a snap. Here you have taken a snap. It means the application program which you have opened here, that will display like this one, and the space of the screen will be created here with the help of the snap feature. So these are the features how you can create the new desktop, what is the use of the task view, and next we are reading here the snap features. So these are the topics related to the organizing files and folders. Now see here very carefully students. Yes student, this chapter is completely based on the graphical user interface. It means you have to select any option from there and you can perform the work. So, the next topic I will discuss in the next video. Okay students, thank you. Thank you.